fresh out of work, rolling through the city, vibes are high. Honestly, did a ton of work today. Got a couple reports done and a lot of different analysis. But life is good all around. End of the summer, people are happy and the city is buzzing. Hey, just good stuff going on. I know it's been an absolutely crazy year, but I'm still feeling good. I'm gonna start in January. I just started making some of these videos coming to and from the office, and it was a game changer, getting people fired up. I'm just trying to bring that energy every day. Just show life as is, being a regular person, getting after it, doing all the same things, because hey, that's what it's all about. Weekend's coming up, so I mean everyone's fired up. A little golf on deck probably, just getting people together and just gonna enjoy it, make the most of it, because this is an awesome area out here. Yeah, can't say enough, just great people in Boston, and I'm gonna have some fun out here. So we're cruising. Yeah, I'll leave it at this for now, and we'll just keep getting it rolling.